Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, then welcome back. My name is Alexxy. In this video, I'm going to talk about linking items together to reduce your land impact, which in turn will allow you to place out more of your items. No matter where you choose to live in Second Life, you are given a certain amount of prims that you can use. This varies across all of Second Life, but it is something to consider when renting a home or renting land. I try to get the most amount of prims for the least amount of money. Let's take, for instance, you're a premium member and are given a home with your membership. All premium homes come with 351 prim allowance. This is where the linking of objects will really come in handy. Okay, let's say we want to cover some walls in our home. Just put a texture on them, a different color or some wallpaper, whatever. We're going to go into build and click on build, and then we'll just use the standard box. You don't even have to touch anything, it just automatically is. Press that down, and then we're going to shape this more like how our wall would be. So we're going to stretch it. We'll bring it up. Let's say this is the height of the wall, and then we'll stretch it this way. And this is like a section of the wall that we want. And we'll also make it thinner, so it'll be like right up against the existing wall. And what I do is I'll build the first prim, and I'll size it up to what the size of my wall is, and then I'll take that section and I'll just copy it. So you go into move and you hold down the shift key, and you can pull your arrow anyway, it doesn't matter. You can go up or down or side to side. So here we'll do another one over here. And one more. Okay, so now we have 4 items. So first we're going to highlight the one item and note that the last object that you take in your link set will be the root prim. So we're just going to click on each object, and the last one here, this will be the root prim if we were to take it into our inventory. Now we're going to go to features, and we'll notice that they're all just regular prims, but we're going to click on this drop down box and go to convex hull and click convex hull, and that is really important. Most mesh items in Second Life are convex hull. There are 4 items here, and we're going to go link them. And now there's only 2, so it dropped it down to 50%, which is, I think that's really good, because now you have 2 prims left that you can pull something else out of your inventory and, you know, decorate with. So we have them. If for any reason you want to unlink them or just get rid of one of the items in the link set, say this third one over here, we want to remove it from the link set, we're going to click edit linked, and then we're going to click on that object. So just that object now is highlighted, and we can pull it away from the group. This is what I usually do. I guess you could just leave it there, but I just like to make sure it's not part of the link set anymore. And nothing else is highlighted, it's just this item, and then we can click unlink. All 3 of these are still linked together. Before we continue, I just wanted to take a moment to invite you to join my channel. If you like what you're seeing and want to see more of these types of videos, then hit the subscribe button down below. And also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of when I upload new videos or I go live. Thank you so much. And now let's get back into the video. In linking objects together, there are some things to take into consideration. Some objects in your inventory are no copy, and the easiest way that I tell if it's no copy is if I'm pulling it out of my inventory onto the ground, there will be nothing left in that folder. And certain objects you have are already multiple objects to begin with. So unlinking them, if you needed to unlink them, would cause a huge mess. So just avoid pieces like that. I would just leave them out of the equation. Linking scripted objects could cause them to break. Linking certain objects could cause the land impact to go up or increase. So you don't want to link those items together. You want to unlink them as soon as you notice that the land impact has gone up. So with all of those things into consideration, you'll want to link your non-scripted items together, such as decor items, books, paintings, baskets, that sort of thing. Start by linking just 2 objects together and check to see if the prim count was reduced. If it was, or if it stayed the same, then go ahead and add another object. Once you've linked all the objects you want together, you can either left click on the button labeled link, or you can hit Ctrl+L. Now they'll all be linked together. And the number of land impacts should change. Usually it will go down, sometimes it won't change. And if it does happen to go up, then unlink those objects. I think that's about it. I don't really know what else I could add to this. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments, and, I will get back to you. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay guys, I'm done.